everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing 5 sustainable Indian brands that have been game changer in my journey towards mindful living. Before I dive in, I want to share where I am in my journey, and like many of you, I am just at the beginning. My sustainability journey started simply by taking a hard look at my overflowing wardrobe and asking myself what I actually wear and love. Living with my in-laws means I can't overhaul everything overnight, but I've learned that small personal changes can make meaningful difference. Your sustainability journey doesn't have to be perfect to be worthwhile. So, whether you live in a joint family setup like me or you have any other constraint, I hope today's video will be helpful for you to make mindful choices within your reality. Before I share these brands, let me tell you why sustainability matters specifically for India. Our country has such a rich heritage of traditional textile and craftsmanship. For generations, our fabrics were naturally sustainable, made from local materials, crafted by skilled artisans, and designed to last. But fast fashion changed all that. Now we are seeing the environmental impact of synthetic fabrics and mass production. The good news is that many Indian brands are returning to our sustainable roots. What I love about these brands is that they honor our textile traditions while making them relevant to today's urban lifestyle. They are proving that sustainable fashion can be both practical and beautiful. The first brand I want to highlight is Chidia. What stands out about them is their commitment to traditional block printing techniques and natural fabrics sourced directly from craftspeople across India. Their fabrics are extremely soft against skin, and they use only natural dyes extracted from plants, flowers, and minerals found across India. I specifically love their dresses and tops, which work perfectly for everyday wear while still looking distinctly stylish. What I appreciate most is how each piece tells a story through their nature-inspired prints, birds, flowers, and traditional motifs that celebrate India's rich craft heritage. Their website, chidia.com, actually shows the printing process, connecting you directly with the artisans behind each garment. I've been wearing their blue spaghetti top since 2 or 3 years, and I absolutely love it. It's so beautiful. And the thing is, it's actually getting softer with time. The second brand is Tavi. It is actually Myntra's sustainable fashion line. They are focused on traditional handloom techniques from across India. What makes them special is how they have made handloom accessible, bringing these incredible crafts to a mainstream audience through a platform most of us already use. The collection spans everything from ikat and kalankari to bark prints and mangalkiri cottons, showcasing crafts from virtually every region of India. What I love about Tavi is the accessibility, both in terms of price point and design. They've taken traditional techniques and transformed them into contemporary silhouettes that work for urban lifestyle. The fusion approach means these pieces don't feel like special occasion ethnic wear, but rather everyday staples with a cultural connection. I started with just one of their dresses, and I was not able to wear it since quite a long time because the dress is little transparent and I was looking for perfect lining to wear underneath. And now that I have it, I have an urge to wear it every single time when I go out because this dress is perfect for Indian weather. Surat Khadi Gram Udyog specifically focus on authentic khadi material, hand-spun, hand-woven fabric that's been integral to India's identity since the freedom movement. What I love about them is their absolute commitment to the traditional khadi making process, supporting rural artisans who have been practicing this craft for generations. Unlike many brands that use the term khadi loosely, Surat Khadi Gram Udyog sell certified khadi products, which is actually handspun and handwoven by skilled artisans who receive fair compensation. Their plain white and natural colored khadi fabrics are perfect for our climate. Incredibly breathable, moisture wicking, and designed to last for years. What's fascinating is how khadi actually adjusts to the weather, keeping you cool in summer and warm in winter. I found their khadi kurtas particularly perfect for any occasion, whether you're going for your 9 to 5 job, or you're going for a vacation, or you're going on a coffee date, or you're doing nothing, just chilling at home. They are so comfortable even if you're wearing them for a whole day. The fourth brand I'm excited to share with you is Studio Anviksha. I got to know about this brand when I visited a sustainable flea market in Surat. Their pieces are made from brass and sterling silver, often incorporated with natural materials like cotton and wood. Each piece is handcrafted by skilled artisans. I recently added several pieces from Studio Anviksha to my collection. The necklace, hoops, a bracelet, the beach vibe necklace, and a beautiful statement ring. What I love most about these pieces is how versatile they are. They instantly elevate even the simplest outfit, creating that perfect balance between mindful consumption and personal expression. Unlike fast fashion accessories that tarnish quickly, these are designed to last for years with minimal care. Their website studioanviksha.com shares the story behind each collection, connecting you with the inspiration and craftsmanship that went into creating these pieces. These have quickly become my everyday staples, providing that sustainable choices can extend beyond just fabrics to create a fully mindful wardrobe. Finally, let me introduce you to Kapar. This brand has completely changed my perception to linen. Their focus is on creating timeless and minimal designs using linen that is sourced ethically. What sets Kapad aside is that their life cycle of their garment. I am particularly excited about their upcoming collection, especially this gorgeous grey striped linen kurta set. What I appreciate most about Kapad's approach is how they honor linen's natural characteristics. The slight texture, the way it drapes, the cooling properties that make it perfect for our climate. It's all celebrated rather than processed away. The pieces actually look better with time and wear, developing a beautiful lived-in quality that fast fashion simply can't replicate. If you're looking for building a capsule collection that truly stands the test of time, Kapad's mindfully created linen collection is actually worth it. As I always say, sustainability isn't about perfection. It's about making better and mindful choices wherever you can. Obviously within the constraint of your real life. Because every small changes adds up over time. I would love to hear about your own journey. What small sustainable change that you have incorporated in your life? Are there any Indian brands that I should check out? Leave a comment below and let's learn from each other. If you found this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos on mindful living and sustainable fashion with an Indian perspective. Until next time, take care and be kind to yourself and the planet. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.